So, hi guys. Good morning guys. Papunta na ako sa work. Kumusta kayo? Happy weekend to everyone. Work, work, work na naman tayo. So guys, I'm arriving in my work, parking. At umuulan na naman. Tingnan nyo, basang-basa ang aking, yan o, basa. Basa. Yan. Umuulan dito sa Germany. So, ang oras pala dito is 5:40 a.m. So, ngayon, there's not many people in my work. But a little bit late, of course. And, until tomorrow, straight yan ngayon. Straight ang work ko, guys, hanggang next week. So, okay lang yun. Dami ko naman day off. Haha. Sobrang day off, hindi rin maganda, di ba, guys? So, happy weekend to everyone. And I hope you will have a good weekend with your family, siyempre. At